The creation of time. Scientific and spiritual interpretations. In a dimly lit room filled with old books and cutting-edge technology, Dr. Aryan Patel stared at the holographic simulation of the universe on his desk. He was an astrophysicist by training, but his heart yearned for answers that transcended equations. For years, he had obsessed over a single question: how did time begin? Scientists had long argued that time was a product of the Big Bang, a cosmic explosion that birthed the universe. But Aryan believed there was more to it. The concept of time, as humans understood it, felt too intricate, too deliberate to be a mere accident. Could it be that time was created, not by chance, but by a conscious force, a mysterious invitation? One stormy evening, as lightning illuminated his cluttered lab, Aryan received an encrypted email. The sender's identity was hidden, but the subject line read, "The key to time." Lies in the Akashic Vault. Intrigued, Aryan opened the email. It contained a set of coordinates deep in the Himalayas and a single sentence: "Find the Temple of Cronus there. Science and spirituality converge." Though skeptical, Aryan couldn't resist the lure of such a promise. Armed with his research, he embarked on the journey, the Temple of Cronus. After days of treacherous trekking through icy cliffs, Aryan stood before an ancient structure carved into the mountain. The Temple of Cronus was adorned with intricate symbols, blending scientific diagrams of space-time with sacred geometry found in Hindu and Buddhist texts. Inside, Aryan discovered an elderly monk sitting cross-legged. The monk introduced himself as Guru Ananta, a keeper of the Akashic Vault, a mythical repository of universal knowledge. "You seek the origin of time," Ananta said, as if reading Aryan's thoughts. Aryan nodded, struggling to conceal his excitement. "Is it true? Was time created intentionally?" Ananta smiled. "Time is the rhythm of the universe, a divine symphony orchestrated by both natural laws and conscious intent." "Let me show you the vision." Ananta led Aryan to the center of the temple, where a massive crystal pulsated with light. Placing his hand on the crystal, Aryan was engulfed in a torrent of visions. He saw the universe before time, a chaotic, formless void. Then came a spark, a singular point of infinite energy that exploded outward. But this was no random event. Aryan perceived a presence, an immeasurable intelligence guiding the explosion. Through the vision, he saw how time was woven into the fabric of the universe to bring order to chaos, to allow stars to form, life to evolve, and consciousness to awaken. Time wasn't just a dimension. It was a gift, a tool for existence to experience itself, the paradox as. The vision faded. Aryan was left trembling, but who or what created time? Was it God? Ananta's eyes twinkled. Does it matter? Call it God, the source, or the universal mind. What matters is the understanding that science and spirituality are two sides of the same coin. The Big Bang was the scientific manifestation of a spiritual intention. Aryan frowned. If time is so deliberate, can it be manipulated? Ananta hesitated before answering. Yes, but altering the rhythm could unravel the symphony. Would you risk chaos for curiosity? A dangerous discovery. Back in his lab, Aryan couldn't let go of what he'd learned. He began experimenting with the data he collected from the crystal. To his astonishment, he found a way to manipulate time's flow, creating micro-pockets of slowed or accelerated time. But his experiments drew attention. One night, agents claiming to represent a global research council stormed his lab. They demanded his findings, warning that his discovery could be catastrophic. Aryan refused, escaping with his research, the choice. Hiding in an abandoned observatory, Aryan received another message from Ananta. The knowledge of time is sacred, use it wisely or destroy it. Aryan now faced a dilemma. Should he share his discovery with the world, risking its misuse, or keep it hidden, preserving the natural order? As he gazed at the night sky, Aryan realized the truth: time wasn't meant to be controlled. It was a gift to be understood, respected, and marveled at. With a heavy heart, he destroyed his research, ensuring that the delicate balance of time remained intact. The legacy of time. Years later, Aryan's story became a legend, whispered among scientists and spiritual seekers alike. Some believed he had unlocked the secrets of time and ascended to a higher plane. Others thought he vanished into the folds of history. But Aryan's legacy endured, a reminder that the mysteries of the universe are not meant to be conquered but embraced, bridging the realms of science and spirituality in an eternal dance.